Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is torichantalxx. If you didn't know, so today I thought I'd do a little bit of a different video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Impress Press on Manicure. I have them on right now. Okay. In the package, it has 30 nails and it claims to have no glue needed, and this is in the medium length. It'd be super cool to go ahead and do this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got these, then just stay tuned. Alright, so jumping into this tutorial, the first thing that I like to do is I want to just make sure that all of the nails fit before I apply. So that's what you see me doing now. I kind of have dumped out all the ones that were in the package, and now I'm just kind of testing them on different fingers, making sure that the nails fit. One thing that I am looking for is that the entire nail is covered. I don't want my nail to be poked out at all. Most of the time, if I find a nail that is in between sizes, then I like to just size up. It's much easier that way. I'd rather it be too big than be too small. And also another thing that I like to do as I'm fitting my nails is also I like to lay out to see how I'm going to design my nails. With this particular set, it did have an accent nail, so that was one thing that I wanted to do also, was to try on the different accent nails so I could see which nails would fit best and would look best. So just have fun and play around with it. You know, even though the box may come a certain way, you still can apply the nails however you see fit or how it caters to you. So now I have all of my nails laid out that I would like to use. And the good thing is about this nail set is that it comes with a little instructional pad on how to apply. It also comes with an alcohol wipe and a cuticle pusher, as well as a little mini emery board that you see here. So right here, I'm just showing you the instructions that are included inside of the package. So now I'm just going to clean off my nail. I want to make sure I kind of dehydrate it a little bit, get rid of any oils or any dirt or anything that might be on my nails before I apply, because I want to make sure that my nails can stick to my natural nail if there's no oil or anything to it, because then it's not going to stick that well and they won't last as long. So I'm just cleaning off my nails right here. So now that I've cleaned off the nail, I'm going to take this little emery board included inside of the nail package, and I'm just going to lightly, just remove that top layer of the nail, just to give it a little bit of grit, so that way the nail will have something to grip onto and to stick. All right, drum roll, please. Now, this part is super easy. Like, I can't make this any easier for you. All that you're going to do for the rest of this set is peel off the film. You're going to lay it onto your nail in the position that you want, and then you're going to press and you're going to hold it down for a couple of seconds. I normally do it like 3 seconds. You can do 5 seconds. You can do 10 seconds, whatever, but just enough. Make sure that the nail is stuck and it's in place and it is secure. I'd like to push back, the sides of my nail, the back of my nail bed, and all that kind of stuff to make sure that, I got it secure and it's not going to move. Now, would you look at that? Look at that set. That is fast and easy. Like, how can you not love it? So now what I'm going to do is just take my little emery board. I'm just going to kind of shape off the little tabs that normally come at the end of the nail. I hope I'm explaining that right. But I'm just going to get rid of that because I don't really need it, and just kind of shape them up a little bit the way that I like. I love this style because it's given a little bit of ballerina shaped nails, but I absolutely love this. It's super easy and it's quick and it's affordable on top of that. I love to be a baddie on a budget. Okay, that is it for me. I hope you guys like this tutorial. One thing that I did want to add that I was trying to show in the video, but it was having a hard time pick up on camera, is that it does come with a little like instruction manual that also comes with a little nail file and a little cuticle pusher as well, but I was having a hard time picking it up on camera. But these are the instructions. They kind of, they tell you what to do, and on the back side here they give you like a nail guide, so kind of which nail possibly could fit on yours. That's all that I have for this video. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.